months of exploring Mauritius, my time on this incredible island is finally coming to an end. So for my last 3 days in Mauritius, I decided to experience one of the most beautiful luxury resorts on the island, Pirogue Resort in Flic. In this Mauritius travel vlog, I'll show you what it's really like to stay at this tropical paradise. From the beachfront bungalows and the incredible breakfast buffet to the spa at Sugar Beach Resort next door. And if you love travel vlogs, Mauritius travel guides, and discovering beautiful places around the world, make sure to subscribe to Persian Travelista because a brand new adventure is about to begin. Hi everyone, I'm Nia and welcome to Persian Travelista. This Mauritius travel vlog is a special one for me because these are my final days on this beautiful island before I move to Canada. And I couldn't think of a better place to spend my last few days than Pirogue Resort in Flic, one of the most iconic luxury beach resorts in Mauritius. Pirogue is famous for its traditional Mauritian-style bungalows, palm tree gardens, and one of the most beautiful beaches on the west coast of Mauritius. The moment you walk into the resort, you instantly feel the relaxed island lifestyle that makes Mauritius such a special travel destination. Let me show you my room. These beachfront bungalows are designed in traditional thatched-roof style, which gives the resort its unique character. The room is spacious, cozy and surrounded by lush tropical gardens, the kind of place where you wake up and immediately feel like you are on a dream island vacation. One of the things I love most about Pirogue Resort is how peaceful and natural it feels, with coconut palms, beautiful pathways, and views of the turquoise Indian Ocean everywhere you look. And of course, no luxury resort stay is complete without an amazing breakfast. The breakfast buffet here at Pirogue is incredible. Fresh tropical fruits, pastries, eggs, local Mauritian dishes, and everything you could possibly want to start your day in paradise. the best perks of staying at Pirogue Resort is that you also get access to the facilities at Sugar Beach Resort, which is right next door. And today I'm heading there to check out their beautiful spa, the perfect place to relax during my final days in Mauritius. It's moments like this that remind me why Mauritius is one of the most beautiful travel destinations in the world. The beaches, the culture, the food, the people. This island truly has a magic that's hard to describe. Spending my last few days in Mauritius here at La Pirogue has been the perfect way to say goodbye to this incredible chapter of my life. This may be the end of my Mauritius travel series, but it's also the beginning of a brand new adventure. I'm now starting a completely new chapter in Toronto, Canada, and I can't wait to share that journey with you. So if you enjoy travel vlogs, travel guides, and discovering amazing destinations around the world, make sure to subscribe to Persian Travelista and join me for the next adventure.